Before the Big Bang, we step into a mystery deeper than time itself. According to modern cosmology, the Big Bang wasn't an explosion in space. It was the beginning of space, time, matter, and everything. In this view, time itself may have started with the Big Bang, making the question, what came before, incredibly complex, maybe even meaningless in classical physics. But some scientists propose bold theories. One idea from loop quantum cosmology suggests the universe didn't begin at all. It bounced into existence from the collapse of a previous one. Other models suggest our universe is one bubble in a vast multiverse, where new universes are constantly forming in an endless cosmic sea. Yet even these theories run into limits, and at that edge, the mystery grows. This is where some ask, could a divine power have sparked the beginning? After all, if time, space, and matter all had a starting point, what or who caused it? Science doesn't yet have tools to prove or disprove such a force, but the question remains open. So we ask, if time had a beginning, who started the clock? If energy and order emerged from nothing, where did the blueprint come from? Does this mean there's something or someone beyond the boundaries of physics? Is there a divine intelligence behind our universe? But not everyone believes a divine power is necessary. Many scientists, especially those who identify as atheists, argue that the universe can arise from natural laws without the need for a supernatural cause. Physicist Stephen Hawking famously said, "Because there is a law such as gravity, the universe can and will create itself from nothing." To them, nothing doesn't mean absolute emptiness. It can mean a quantum vacuum, a strange realm where particles and energy flicker in and out of existence even without space and time. This is where quantum physics enters. Some theories suggest that the universe could have emerged from a quantum fluctuation, a spontaneous event governed by probability, not intention. They argue that invoking a god or divine creator adds complexity, and if science can explain something naturally, we don't need a supernatural explanation. Others point to the multiverse theory. If countless universes exist, it's not surprising that at least one, like ours, has the right conditions for life. No designer needed, just probability on a cosmic scale. But here's the paradox. Even if science explains how the universe came to be, can it ever explain why? Is the why a question for philosophy or religion, or is it just a human illusion? Are we trying to force meaning where there is none? Or is there something bigger than science waiting to be discovered? The universe began with a question, and maybe it's up to us to keep asking. So, what's up? On your side, what are you thinking?